Hello, it's Mr. Botinsky, and we're looking at problem number 8. So we're asked to approximate the distance between the point -1, -3, and the point 1, 3. So we can utilize Desmos calculator again. So putting those points on there. So we're going to do -1, -3, okay? And then also we're doing the point 1, 3. And what we see there is we could formulate a triangle. Okay, so and that triangle so is 2 across on the bottom, and then 6 is the height. So let's go back to our notebook, and you should be able to draw or sketch this triangle, and it's going to be a right triangle. Okay, so it's 6 high and 2 long. Okay, so we want to know this value right here. And we have the ability to find that because we know the Pythagorean theorem. Okay. And that states that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay. So remember, a and b are the legs of the right triangle, and this x, or the c, is the hypotenuse. Okay, so we know that 2 squared plus 6 squared is equal to x squared. So we can just continue calculating. So that's 4 plus 36 is equal to x squared, or 40 is equal to x squared. And then to get x by itself, we take the square root of both sides, and we get x is equal to the square root of 40, and it says approximate. Um, so and we want to approximate to the nearest tenth if we look back at the problem. So we can go back into our Desmos, and we end up typing in the square root. So SQRT brings up that square root symbol of 40, and the nearest tenth, we got ones, and then the decimal, and then the tenths place. So that's going to be 3. And then to make sure we're rounding it correctly, we look at the next, so the hundredths place. And so if it's 4 below, it rounds down, and we keep that number, that 3. If it was a 5 or above, we'd make the 3 a 4 and round it up. So that's how we approximate. So 6.3 is our answer. So um, what we do is, if we were writing this by hand, we can use the little squiggles. So they, it looks like 2 tildes on top of each other. And so approximately 6.3. Okay, so that would be our answer for this problem.